Hello and welcome to our channel Destination Closest Optional. In this video channel we will introduce naturist resorts and beaches around the world. We are Rose and Carsten. We have quit our jobs and going traveling full-time around the world. We have discovered for us the naturist lifestyle and we would love to share it with you. Please enjoy the video, and if you like it, then we would really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and enjoy the video.
Just thought maybe we have a little chat while I'm getting ready to go out and meet friends. Of course, Carsten needs 5 minutes to get ready, so good for him. I might need 10, so yeah. Just going to meet some friends that we haven't seen for 10 or 11 months. Got a mirror here. A little bit of colour on my lips. Someone once told me my lips were like pillows, and I took that as the biggest compliment. I'm lucky they've just always been the way they are now. Now a tricky thing. I haven't done this for a while. Mascara. And by the way, I do actually have a mirror here. So that's helping. So why nudism? Why naturism? Well, always been comfortable with nudism, seeing it at home and sunbathing. I mean, we grew up in the country, get sunbathed around home with, however you were. So I grew up with being comfortable with nudity, and then later I found out I didn't really care how my body looked that much because I was glad to be alive after suffering quite serious illness. And also being a nurse, I'd seen a lot of different bodies in a lot of different states, and I'm glad to be alive. My body's not perfect, but I accept it and I value it and I look after it, and it's keeping me alive. So I'm really comfortable with my body, and I don't really care if other people like it or don't like it. That's up to them. I mean, you can never control what other people think or feel. Yeah, my body it's just part of me, and someone sees it, okay. Yeah. Comfortable with being me, I guess. I mean, I've gained weight in the past and lost weight, and I have some floppy bits and, extra skin on my arms because I've lost so much weight, but it's okay. Yeah, I live with it. And love life and enjoy life. I think that's the important thing. Now, do I need to fix anything up here? You tell me. Just have to slip into something a little less comfortable, which is how I find clothes. And whatever you're doing, have an amazing day, night, or time. So I thought maybe my Patreons could see what I'm wearing under my clothes and my clothes. So today, sorry non-subscribers, this is where it ends for you.
Guys, I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed and commented. It's really overwhelming, and we really appreciate each and every one of you. It takes, effort filming and editing, so we really appreciate when you like and comment and subscribe. It really helps us as a small channel. It helps that the videos get shown to more people. There's more interest in the naturist way of life, and thank you really heaps from both of us, from Rose and Carsten.